So here today we are going to discuss about like Azure SQL, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Azure SQL. So already yesterday we have discussed like what is in the SQL? SQL is
Structured
nothing but structured query
language.
language. Structured query language. So the data is going to be stored in the table format, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to create a resource group. I'm going to create a resource group. And the resource group name is Azure test. Click on next times and finally review and create. And then we have the virtual network. So we are going to create a database SQL structured query language database and create SQL database. And the resource group name is Azure test resource group. And the database means DSF. You can give any name and just giving like DSF DB1. Okay.
Okay.
And you can create the server. I'm giving DSF server name. The name must be unique. Okay. Or DSF server. And the region is US. And how we are going to authenticate, whether you are in the SQL Microsoft or these things, just you have to use the SQL authentication. I'll give the username is India, password is India at the top 12345 6, India at the top 12345 6. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Password must contain part of the login name, but part of the login name is defined. Part of the login name is defined as 3 or more consequential. Okay. Yeah, data 1 2 3 4 5 6. For example, int at data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Int at data 1 2 3 4 5 6. At data 1 2 3 4 5 6. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Click on OK. Want to SQL Elastic Pool? No. And we have discussed the work and production. We'll have the development. Okay. And configure the database. And whether you want to general or basic workflows, click on apply. Local redundant already we discussed that LRS, GRS, and ZRS. Next, networking and public endpoints, and I'm trying to access by using my current IP. Are you able to follow me? Already we discussed in
Yes,
the last
yes, sir.
okay.
Yesterday నేను క్రియేట్ చేశాను సార్.
Next, additional settings. Okay.
కొన్ని కమెంట్స్ కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశాను.
Sample. You can take the sample data. Next, thanks, and finally review and create.
సో సందీప్ గారు ఇప్పుడు Azure SQL అనేది డెవాప్స్ లో డాటాను స్టోర్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారా లేకపోతే
DevOps లో కాదు, అడ్మిన్ లో అంతా. DevOps అయిపోయింది మనది, అడ్మిన్ పార్టీ అంతా. ఓకే.
ఓకే. సందీప్ గారు
Hello.
ఎస్ అండి
Yeah. So how to access the database? How to
బై
access the
యూజింగ్
data?
ఎస్ఎస్ఎంఎస్
Yes, you can go ahead here and you can see the databases here, right? This is the server, right? You'll go with SQL Server Management Studio. Click on the server name. Got it?
ఎస్ అండి
And how you are going to authenticate by using the SQL authentication, and the username is India. Password is Ind at the rate 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click on connect. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And here you can do the practice here. You can run the new queries. You can have the databases here. Click on the databases. DSFDB1 is a database, right? Yes or no? If you want to
Yes, sir.
get this data, so you can go with the w3schools.com. W3 schools. Generally, you can go with learn the SQL DB. So generally, if you want to get the data from this, right? DSFDB1, you have the tables. If I want to know the information from the select star from, so in this database, which table I want the information? I want to get the information from sales LT.customer. Okay, sales
ఈ టేబుల్స్
LT.
ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఉంటాయి అసలు.
ఇది మనం క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు డేటాబేస్ టీమ్ వాళ్ళు. బట్ మనది ఇక్కడ శాంపుల్ డేటా తీసుకున్నాం కదా క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
హలో,
ఓకే, అక్కడ శాంపిల్ అని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది శాంపిల్ డేటా ఉంటుంది.
శాంపుల్ డేటా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే,
Okay.
select star from sales LT dot sales LT dot customer. Execute. Sorry, you have to select the database here. Okay, got it? Hello,
ఎస్ అండి.
sales LT dot customer. Yeah, question session long. So select star from sales LT dot
కస్టమర్.
customer. You can execute it. Something is going wrong here. Sales, okay. Sales LT dot. Yeah, you have the select command. Select star from. Execute. Why it is not getting? Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, select this and you have to run the query. Okay,
ఓకే.
I think so. This is the reason. Select star from select star from sales LT dot. Now it's working. Okay. Hello.
ఎస్ అండి.
Source LT dot, right? Okay, I'm giving afterwards. Are you able to follow me?
ఎస్ అండి.
Select star LT dot
కస్టమర్.
customer. Okay, it's better. Customer is not working properly. address. Okay, execute. Oh, it's working, right? Got it. You can get all this information here, and you can go with, you can get customer address also. Execute. Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
if you want to get the information of particular location, city Dallas, right?
Hmm.
From where? Where city is equal to Dallas. Got it?
Okay.
Where city is equal to Dallas. Yeah. You can use the where command. So Dallas. Got it?
Yes,
So you
sir.
can see that you're getting all the information of the Dallas. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where address ID is equal to, for example, where address ID equal to 25, for example. Execute. Like this, you can learn all the databases here. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
If you want to insert, if you want to delete, for example, I want to delete it. Delete. Execute. So it is deleted. Delete from the cell deleted where address ID is equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
So like this, you can learn all the commands from here. And you can go with all these databases, okay? If you want to.
Okay.
This is not required, just for the time sake, okay? For example, I'm going to create one more database. Create SQL database. And the reason I am going to give like DSF DB1. So this is research group, and the database means DSF DB2 EastUS and development. Configure the database. I'm going with basic. Click on apply. Local oriented networking. Yes. Next security. Next monthly. Here you can take the backup data or sample data, what type of data you're taking. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got it. None means it is going to create just a database. You have to create a database tables. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next tags and finally review and create.
సందీప్ గారు రియల్ టైంలో ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది
ఏంటిది
Azure SQL?
డేటాబేస్ అబ్బా డేటా స్టోర్ చేయాలి కదా ఇమెయిల్ ఐడీస్ ఫార్వర్డ్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ కదా
ఓకే.
ఇది
ఓకే.
అప్లికేషన్ కాబట్టి ఇమెయిల్ ఐడీస్ పాస్వర్డ్స్ ఇవన్నీ
రియల్
దీంట్లోనే
టైంలో
కదా
కూడా మనకి
స్టోరీ
రియల్ టైంలో కూడా మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము. ఆల్రెడీ అక్కడ ఉంటుంది.
ఇంతే రియల్ టైం ఇంకా డేటాబేస్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం ఇట్లా డేటాబేస్
ఓకే.
క్రియేట్ చేసి డెవలపర్కి ఇస్తాం
ఓకే.
సో here you have created the database, right? DSF DB2 have created.
ఎస్ అండి.
When you refresh this, you are getting the DSF database too. మన పని జస్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం వరకే. వాట్ ఇట్
ఓకే సార్.
మనం అడ్మిన్ అనుకో, జస్ట్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం, మనం చేసే పని ఉండదు ఇంకా.
ఓకే సార్.
మళ్ళీ కనెక్ట్ అవుతాం సర్వర్. 1 2 3 4 5 6 connect. Now you can see that when I'm trying to connect, you are getting the two databases here. When I go to the database, how many databases you are getting?
2.
DB1,
DB1
and DA2. But I don't want to give access. Got it? I don't want to give access to the two databases. I want to give access only to the one database. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
If you try to log in, he used to log in only with one database, DS of DB2. Okay.
Okay.
Then what I want to do, you have to create a login. Right click. Sorry, you have to go to securities. You have to create a logins. I can create a login here. Logins, I'm going to create a new login. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
In this login, I'm going to give the login name. For example, I'm going to give DSF login to, for example. Okay.
Okay.
I'm giving some password for it. Ind at the rate of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Got it? So what
Yes,
is the
sir.
login name? DSF login to. Execute. Completed successfully. Completed successfully. Now for which database I want to give access? For example, there are multiple developers, database teams are there. They
Okay.
don't want to I don't want to give access for all the databases. I want to give
Okay.
access only for the particular database, right? Right
Yes.
click, right click, new database. You can see that, you can see the database 2 I want to give login, and here you can go to securities, and here you can give the users, and here I am going to create a user here. So here in the users you have the things, right click and then user, and here you can give the username. For example, I'll give the username as DSF user2. Got it?
Okay.
And the login, already we have created the login, right? I'm going to give the same login here, DSF login to. And which database you're trying to give the access? DSF DB2 is the database. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And here you can see the rules, what type of rules you are giving. DB owner, right? Okay.
Okay.
So here is a DB owner. We have the SQL admin roles. We have the SQL DB roles we are going to have. That roles you have to select here. Database roles, SQL server roles here. DB owner, DB admin, security admin, access admin, right? So you won't give all the access for all the ones. Few people you give the reader access, few people you give the writer access, few people you have to give the owner access, right? So depends.
Okay.
Here I'm given the DB owner. For which user I have created the user, right? DSF user2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I have created the user here, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
For that test user, I am giving the DB owner, and with login, DSF login to.
Okay.
Execute. Command completed successfully. I'm just terminating the server. So just click on the connect here. Okay. Here, login will be the same. Here I'm giving the login different. What is that? DSF login to. Okay.
Okay.
I have created the password in the edit of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click on connect. So it won't connect. Why? Because I have the access only to the database 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Connections, and you have to give the DSDB2. Click on connect. It can be connected only to the database 2. Is it clear? Hello. Any doubts here? It's get loading, okay?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here you can see the SQL server. The databases, we won't have much options here. Database, nothing to do here, okay? And for example, this database settings storage. So storage is nothing but if you want to, what is the storage you're having, how much GB and all the thing. You want to
Okay.
change the option LRS to ZRS, GRS, these things. Connection string. So generally, Java developer is there means, if .NET developer means you have to give this string, okay?
Okay.
This is an authentication string. And if you want to give the Java database, you have to give this connection string. If the ODBs means Oracle database, you have to give this string. If the PHP, you have to give this code. For the Go language, you have to give this code. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Data management, replication. This is very important. So what this replication means? In which location have created the database? You can see here databases DB2. We can able to access only database 2. We are not able to access the database 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Like this, you can give the access for the particular database. Replicas is nothing but if you want to give the replication, this is called disaster recovery. In case if East US is not working, automatically it is going to redirect to the West US. Got it? You can create
Yes,
a
sir.
replica within the same server, or you can create a new server and you have to try it. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And next, replicas integrations. So you want to integrate with some data management tools like this, you can go with, or data reporting tools like Power BI, MSBI. You can connect with the Power BI, MSBI also. Okay, and these are the security things, performance and monitoring. These things are not required. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
When you come to the SQL servers, DSF server, and data management, you can take the backups. What is that?
Okay.
You can see that it is going to take the backup, and you can create the delete the databases. So the important thing is that failover groups. What is that? Failover
Payload.
groups. So click on add failover group. I'm giving like DSF test failover. So I'm going to create a server. DSF server is there, right? So you have to choose the different server. Okay. I'm giving DSF login test. Okay. Password int at that of 12345 6. Okay. DSF login. I'll give like West. Int at that of 12345 6. And this I'm going to give the West US. So click on select, and you have to give the server name DSF West. Server West. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For the same database, which database I want to create a failure group, that database I have to select. For example, database one. Click on select, create. So it is going to create a failure group.
So, failure groups అంటే
I'll
disaster
explain.
recovery. Okay.
Failure groups means our master data is in the East US, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? I have created the failure group in the West US. In the West US, same replication is going to create. In case DSF East region, if the database is not working,
Okay.
automatically it will get the data from the West US.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, still it is creating. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You can see that there is created the DS of West server also. Got it? So when you go to the DS of server, you can see the failover groups. Are
Yes.
able to follow me? DS of test failover. So this is
Yes.
replicated with West US. You can see that region.
Second.
So when, so
Okay.
let me show how it is going to work. If I do it forcibly failover, the primary region is East US, right? Now
Yes.
it is redirecting to the West US. Now we can see that West US got the primary here, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So like this, okay,
Okay.
we can, this is how is going to work the failover groups. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And this is the failover groups. Important topics like failover groups only. And security is nothing but networking. If you want to give access something like that, you want to access something. And cloud defender is nothing but a security, it's extra layer of security. And these are the different things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is all about the SQL.